If you're like me, your mornings are busy. Let me show you how I make a week's worth of breakfast in just 20 minutes. I'm making my simple breakfast burritos, and these are great to make ahead of time. Simply scramble up a dozen eggs, brown some of your favorite breakfast meat. I'm using Fareway sausage, but you could do bacon, turkey, even leftover taco meat. Grab your whole wheat tortillas, cheese, and any other toppings you would like, and you're ready for the assembly line. Roll in plastic wrap and you can pop them right in the freezer. These are great to bring to someone who maybe just had a new baby or someone who needs a little extra TLC. To reheat, just remove the plastic wrap and microwave in a damp paper towel for 1 to 2 minutes. For this recipe and more, head to fareway.com.